No matter where I was stationed, I was always talking to hundreds, if not thousands of people per day, in real life. The Zoomobile in particular helped create many interchangeable skills.
Red light, run. Red light, run. No, turn on red, and you ran the red light.
I would do 8 to 10 tours. That's 4 or 5.
And I got good news. No one parked in the loading zone this time. Yay! Good job, Cornell students. We're learning. Good job.
(73-5). By the treaty, the Compagnie Nouvelle was authorized to...
Wait, why you got your left blinker on? That's straight only lane. Really? You're an idiot.
By Hayes standards, he was a vast improvement. And so it had been presumed at the State Department that the final details of the treaty would now be dispensed with smoothly and swiftly. Of Panama, it would be unfair to the United States if the best route be not obtained.
Red light, run. Red light, run.
Here.
Red light, run. See if that got on camera.
Then at home. File clerks were given the title of Keeper of the Archives.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run. Way up there.
Roosevelt's last day on the isthmus. Stephen's authority, therefore, was...
Well, why would you go over there? Nope. No one's moving over for the copper.
Seemed not in the least disturbed that the room was virtually empty. Only one other member of the committee bothered to attend, Senator Kittredge, a Republican, who made a show of looking bored. But Morgan
had gone right along in high spirits, questioning the witness as though the entire country were present, and as if the hard-bitten old man's memories of Panama's horrors far outweighed the views of high-powered engineers. Walker's testimony took up the better part of one day and the morning
Really?
following.
What the fuck?
In the record book, the transcription fills 75 pages. The full committee was present this time. And from the moment Walker took his seat, it states to attempt a sea-level canal, which in all probability would have ended in terrible failure. As further experience
you still had more room to
the advisory board had been no less naive than de Lesseps concerning the true cost of so vast for the canal, cried one congressman. Make way for the canal.
Ah, nice cutoff.
The president signed the Schooner Act 2 days later, June 28, 1902. You have no part to perform in the political or social disorder.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run, Nissan driver.
A delegation of congressmen, members of the House Appropriations Committee, arrived in November. They were impressed as much by Goethals as by the strides being made.
Toyo,
a point
start.
of special satisfaction at the White House. Lying directly in front of him was soon peppered with cigarette burns. He liked things on paper.
Ba-dum-stree-in. You're college kids at an Ivy League school. You're supposed to be smart.
His appreciation. Panoramic photographs made at the height of
the break at all.
gave an idea of how tremendous that canyon had been. Gerald knew from the one seen, or perhaps even imagined, by his fellow Bostonian Charles Francis Adams.
Land Rover.
As different nearly.
And it's like, well, it's like a $200 sleeping bag, but if I sold it direct to consumer, it'd be $100. And so that was literally project one, was sourcing sleeping bags, down sleeping.
About weakness being, owning your weakness, and weakness being the strength that he needs.
Right turn regret. Yep, this sneaks up on people even though there's signs that say, hey, the right lane becomes a right turn only lane. People are dum-dums. I've tried to figure it out, but I just can't anymore.
A woman said she was shocked to discover that Alaska isn't actually an island, called for an overhaul of school curriculum.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run. And whoever thought that Alaska's an island is stupid. Stop it!
a shock to discover that Alaska is not an island, and that it's possible to drive to it during a conversation with your Canadian boyfriend. This is on, you might think, hey, what kind of bullshit story is this? This is 99 line? No, it's on BusinessInsider.com. You know they only publish shit.
There's cars coming. Hello!
It's a TikToker. Sabrina.
They have intersections like this in North Carolina. And of course, you cut someone off. Yeah, they got intersections like this in North Carolina too. I've been there, unfortunately. It's not that hard a concept to figure out. It's a red light up there. They can turn left and they can go. Stupid, dumb, go back to North Carolina. At least you're heading south, and that's the fastest way to get there. So good. Go. Good. Get out of here. Scram!
Oh, what? Awesome.
Red light, run! Red light, run! That car ran the red lights. Red light, run! Red light, run! Red light, run! That was the first part of a musical trilogy in D minor. D minor being the saddest of all keys. I am working on a title for this musical trilogy of mine.
And
no headlights on over there. Dumb. No one can see you. Stop it! Turn them on!
His initial fortune and social acceptance as a physician and man of science, the
Nice
best
cut off.
evidence was that he had neither a medical degree nor little else was made. It was not even generally known that the British
It's not 9 o'clock yet. No turn on red.
was anything approaching ceremony. It was putting out the candle, observed a reporter. It is never blown out.
Nice cut
It
off.
must be snuffed out with a silver extinguisher. They saw it in the deepening of Culebra Cut, in the rise of docks
No, stop.
and warehouses, in the new railroad, in the fortifications being built at
You done messed up, Aaron! You done messed up, Aaron! You done messed up, Aaron!
You sit on a throne of lies.
You done messed up, Aaron! You're fired!
Star Wars,